Let's unbox my Wings of Fortune Labubu. Hi, if you haven't seen me before, my name is Shay. I'm a travel blogger of 8 years. I'm here currently in Tokyo right now. That's the Tokyo Tower behind me, and I'm gonna be unboxing the Wings of Fortune Labubu, my royal boo-boo. She's so pretty. Let's unbox this. So she comes in like a gold dress. I don't like the dress. I'm gonna take the dress off because I think it's tacky. And this is the back of it. Looks like it has all the QR holographic code that you can scan and go to popmart.com. Make sure it does that. If not, it's a fufu. So this is the bottom part. Make sure it looks like this. So this, that's like a legit one. It has a Popmart logo here, not like a RoyalBUBU or anything like crazy. The monsters and this is pronouns. I don't even know what pronoun is. I just like purple Labubus. Wings of Fortune, she's my RoyalBUBU because she's like, purple and stuff. Okay, let's unbox this. They sealed this here. So there's another seal that sticks this to the box. So you can't pull her out. There's so many seals going on. You have to take off that in order all the tape to take this out. Okay. Hey, this is how she looks like. There's another thing that ties her to this. So I don't know how to pull this out without a knife or scissors. One stuck in there. Maybe I can just pull it. Okay, it does break. If you what? I'm scared. Okay, maybe I can just take her off this. I'm trying to rush also because it's getting dark. Okay, I think I can get her off this way. I don't know why they don't make it easy to take out. God. Finally. Oh, there's another one over here. There. Oh my god. That was really hard to get off. But there she is. Thankfully, her head is still intact. Oh, she's so pretty. She's Wings of Fortune Labubu, and the dress can be taken off. There's like another thing over here. I don't know how to take off the dress. Oh, there's a button here to take off her dress. Look at that. There's a button here. Oh, the thing came off. But you can take off her dress. I don't like the dress. Like I said, the dress is tacky. And whatever this thing is supposed to be, like her guitar purse, whatever. There's another thing here that you have to rip. Okay, she's free from her ugly dress. This is going bye-bye. Oh, look at her! This is what I'm talking about. My quality control. Look at this. This is not good. It's not snapping, so I'll have to replace this with another one. But look at that. What? It shouldn't be like that. It should be like holding in place. You know what I mean? Popmart, do better. because this is not cheap. I think in the US they sell it for like $55. I got it from Thailand, but that's how she looks like. This thing is flimsy, but she's so much better without this hideous tacky dress. Like the devil wear Prada, Miranda would not approve this. You know what I mean? But she's pretty. I like her. I like her a lot because I like purple. She's my RoyalBUBU. She'll be joining HopeBUBU soon in our adventures together. Oh, I just wanted to show. Okay, her ears are close together. That's good. That's like the monsters Popmart on there. On the tag, it says pronouns at the back. Her blush is like soft. It's supposed to be soft. She looks this way. It's supposed to be that way. Her nose is yellow. She has 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 9 teeth. And you can move her hands like the other standing Labubus. Her toes are painted. You can move her toes, her feet like this. She's so soft. You can actually cut off the tag, I guess, just rip it off. So there must be new one. The tag is tiny, so must be new production. The old production is bigger and has the QR code there. It's very good. I like when the new production has a QR code, the old one doesn't, apparently. So, but yeah. Introducing RoyalBUBU, yay! Well, I hope you enjoyed that unboxing of my Labubu pronouns, Wings of Fortune. Or I call her RoyalBUBU. If you like this video, make sure you give me a thumbs up. Please share this to the bestie who likes Labubu unboxing. If you haven't done so already, make sure you subscribe to my channel because I have more Labubu unboxing like this coming soon to my channel, so make sure you subscribe. Until next time, happy Labubu hunting. Hopefully you get your favorite Labubu and happy unboxing. Also, happy travels. Bye! So if you want to see the next Labubu unboxing, then check out this video.